Hey crypto fam, Binance just dropped some huge news today. We're diving into the 40-second project on Binance hodler airdrops. Say hello to 0G. That's right, the number 0. And it's a game changer in the world of decentralized AI. Let's break it down and show you how you can earn some 0G tokens just by holding BNB. Ready, let's go. So what's 0G all about? It's a layer 1 blockchain built for decentralized AI, designed to handle massive AI workloads by orchestrating hardware and software like a pro. Think of it as the backbone for the future of AI in crypto. Pretty exciting, right? Now here's the juicy part. If you had your BNB in, simple earn either flexible or locked, or on-chain yields, between September 15th and September 17th, 2025, you're in for a treat. Binance is giving away 3 million 0G tokens as part of their hodler airdrops. These tokens will land in your spot account at least 1 hour before trading kicks off. Oh, and guess what? Trading for 0G starts on September 22nd, 2025 at 10 a.m. UTC against USDT, USDC, BNB, FDUSD, and Tri pairs. Mark your calendars. Want to get in on the action? You can start depositing 0G into your Binance account from September 21st, 2025 at 11 a.m. UTC. And here's a heads up, 0G will have the seed tag applied, so make sure you understand the risks. Also, it'll be available on Binance Alpha for trading before the spot market opens, but it won't stay there once spot trading begins. Let's talk numbers real quick. 0G has a total token supply at Genesis of 1 billion tokens, with a circulating supply of about 213 million when it lists. That's 21.32% of the total. There's also a 3.5% annual inflation rate, so the max supply is technically infinite. Plus, Binance is setting aside 18.5 million 0G tokens for future marketing campaigns. So stay tuned for more opportunities. Now a quick reminder. Always do your own research before trading 0G or any token outside Binance. Scams are out there, so keep your funds safe and stick to trusted platforms like Binance. Also, depending on your region, some products or services might not be available, so check with Binance for details. That's the scoop on 0G and Binance's hodler airdrops. If you're holding BNB, you might already be eligible for free tokens, so go check your Binance account. And if you're excited about decentralized AI and want to trade 0G, get ready for September 22nd. Drop a like if you're hyped for this airdrop. Subscribe for more crypto updates, and let me know in the comments, are you grabbing some 0G? Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.